what we are in. Look behind me. The logo. Dunkin' Donuts. After shopping, I paused because there was a warning: do not like the video, and I don't know.
Can you take it out?
Is this mine?
Hot choco yan. You like hot choco?
Oh no.
No.
I'll just put this. Alright guys,
Oh,
this is
bilhin
my
mo.
order. This is what I ordered. Some Uber because I love Uber. Ah! Why is it wet?
Happy.
It was my favorite color and tastes good. What's that? What's that?
Why?
I have some blueberry. It tastes like your blueberry from home. Bye-bye guys! Because it's hot chocolate. Of course it has to be hot. My mom took a little bit of pictures, that's why I posed it. And I love this. Like, look at it. When I use your TikTok, ilan po, sir? Ilan po lang, sir? Isang cup water, isang water. Yung mushroom po, yung mushroom.
No, choco. Yaman, kape.
Hindi ka napasok kanina. Have some coffee.
Alam mo na? Very good. Ada bakal sa buko priyo ba, meron ng puro lang sabaw?
Hindi gamit ka.
That was a cold drink. This. Wanna see how fun people do it? And how people do it. Very, very infinite. Normal.
Midterm. Alam mo na midterm.
Midterm naman ngayon.
Ha?
Sa 7, midterm naman.
Tulog ng sa sila.
Wala, nasa palaro si Ma'am wala pang sabi kung ano. Basta ang sabi last time.
Papalaw. Kung ano kami din sa kung online. Saan man ito?
So after this week, of course I want to be
Ano siya? Ano siya?
Mami, bakit hindi mo binilhan si Daddy ng donut? Ba't hindi mo binilhan si Daddy ng donut?
Nakakita ko yung ice cream. Pas.
Kasi share lang kami dalawa.
Tama na? Tama na rin. Marami ha?
Eko?
Ha? Sa cellphone, ngayon.
Guys, so I want you to see the beauty outside. Yeah. I think I never It's so cute.
Masarap to, avocado.
I never.
Masarap ng avocado. Avocado.
I hate avocado. I just like avocado ice cream.
Ubusin mo na, tapos i-throw mo sa trash can.
Don't finish it. I want.
Pasok ka na lang din namin.
Saan kayo? Mami, baka hindi ko kayo mahanap. Alright guys, after drinking, now we shall go to my mother. What in the world did she just do? Just do that. A guy from there just did that.
Mali na oh.
Like, tata. Mami, meron palang lalaki ng ganito sa may camera. Because I was not even vlogging and posting. The guy did it, and then his friends like absolutely did it. Like laughed at him. So we're almost gonna go home. I just wanna go home and wear my clothes. Oh my gosh, no! I'm here. Mommy, I wanna go home now.
Ha?
Mommy, this one's perfect.
55 for you.
Where's the guy?
Kaya ang ganda.
Mom, bakit dati wala yan dyan? Mommy, I would just wanna go home.
Alright, let's go home then.
Let's go. Let's ask Daddy. Di ba may sarap lang kailangan?
Ayun, go home na tayo kahit wala pang mini.
Ano na?
Ayun tayo bigay ng mini. Ha? No more mimi. Oh.
Ako na si little brother.
Little brother. You don't have it.
Ay, nakalimutan ko.
Ay, okay.
Pinabigay mo. Pinabigay mo si little brother. Tsaka agaw-agawin mo ulit siya. Bakit? Yung ginawa ko sakit. Iwasain. Mommy was do that. Wash on chest. Alright, goodbye guys. See you later at the ride.